week. We have time off. We never do anything fun.
Well, I don't know. What do you have in mind?
Well, I was thinking okay.
Like
so
the library? The library is what?
The library's boring. We can do that anytime. Listen, how about on Monday we go down to the lake and go swimming at the lake?
I don't know. I think it's going to be hot that day, and I might get a sunburn. You know how tender my skin is.
Whim. We can do okay, so Monday we'll go down to the lake. Tuesday we're going to go mountain biking. It's supposed to be cloudy, so your tender skin shouldn't get burned.
Well, that sounds great, but I'd probably crash like I did the last time and break my arm or something.
You didn't break your arm last time. You won't break it this time. Come on, we'll go. So Monday we'll go to the lake. Tuesday we're going to go mountain biking.
Okay.
Wednesday I was thinking we could go fishing. Remember the last time we went? I caught like 10 huge fish.
Yeah, I remember, and the only thing I caught was an old boot, and you won't ever let me forget that one. So if we do anything, I'd like to enjoy it.
Well, okay then. What do you suggest?
Well, all right. Well, we could stay home and, pop some popcorn and play like Scrabble or another board game. Something like that. What?
I like board games, but we can do that anytime. Why don't we go, listen, Friday or Saturday, we'll do all those things we talked about, and then Friday or Saturday, we'll go on a picnic to the mountains. You won't break your arm. You won't get sunburned. It'll be really pleasant. Let's do that, okay?
Well,
come on. Let's do it. It'll be fun.
Okay, we'll give it a try.
Good.